Hi everyone, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing some cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 from Gear4. These are some of my most favorite cases. I've owned them for other devices in the past. These cases are in a different league when it comes to protection. Trust me on that. I've had an experience in the past where I've had an expensive device, dropped it, and these cases saved my bacon. Really did save me. They do have other cases available. These are the two I like to use predominantly, but they have got other ones. I will leave a link to their website down below, or to Amazon, eBay, wherever I can find the cheapest price for you guys, so check those links out. In this case, I've got the Piccadilly and I've got the Battersea. So let's take the Piccadilly first of all. Let's move that one out of the way. I have been using them, as you can see, then out of the box. This one has got 3 meters or 10 foot of drop protection. It actually exceeds that. So their testing showed your phone will survive higher than that. And that is a very, very high rating. Think about it. How often are you going to drop your foot from drop your phone from 3 meters high? Very rarely is going to happen. Now I got the blue one. They do come with different colored edges to them. I've got a blue Note 9, so I went with the blue one. They do, I think they've got a black, they've got a pink. Check out the links and find out for yourselves. So they're specialists in using D3O material in their cases. It's basically the thinnest, most advanced impact protection material in the world. Basically, when you drop a phone with one of these on, this material's soft, and on impact it goes hard. So it takes all the shock from the drop into this here. And when you do drop your phone, you tend to drop it on the corners. It normally hits on the corners. Now I have got all these cases for the iPhone XS Max as well, so you want to check that out. I'll be reviewing that soon. So integrated, so let's read the back here. 10-foot drop protection, slim design, wireless charging compatible, edge-to-edge protection, integrated 3DO material for impact absorption, TPU for impact protection and grip around the sides and edges of the case, and polycarbonate as used in bulletproof glass. So you know this is a tough, bad ass case. Limited lifetime warranty, and you got the holographic sticker there to prove it's a genuine product. So D3O uses enhanced polymer chemistry to create low profile advanced impact protection materials. D3O technology stiffens on impact. This absorbs the shock to protect your device. Really, really love these cases. I mean, it's also used in helmets, gloves, and other protective gear used around the world by soldiers, professional athletes, industrial workers, and motorcyclists. So if they use it, why not have it to protect your device? So let's move that. This is the Piccadilly now. So let me show you the inside here. There's the D3O, that blue color. As I said, it comes in different colors. The back is hard polycarbonate shell. Now, obviously it's a clear case, so let me just drop my Note 9 straight into this. And it goes in pretty straightforward. There we go. Switch off the screen, there we go. Now, on the top, you've got a cutout for your mic, power button, very responsive. This is that TPU they're talking about. As you can see, it's flexible. The cutouts at the bottom, absolutely immaculate for the headphone jack, charging port, mic, speaker, and S Pen. As you can see, it does come out no problem. Now these cases, all of their cases work with the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. I'm currently using a screen protector from a company called Bear. Testing that at the moment, it works with that as well. You've got a bit of D3O branding here. Bixby button, volume rockers, work absolutely perfectly. you've got plenty of lip protection there, but I have got quite a thick glass screen protector on the phone. So it's slightly higher than the actual with the screen protector, but if I didn't have the screen protector on, it'd be even more recessed, the phone, if that makes sense. The edge here is not that high up, but it's high enough. I think they've done that so it doesn't affect the edge usability, and that is so it can work with other screen protectors with the case, because let's be honest, you want to protect your investment. It is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet at the back of this, but it does wipe clean quite easily. Look, there's the fingerprints. Look how easy that was to wipe off. Wipes off no issue. That was with a thumb, not even a cloth. Very nice. Camera, fingerprint sensor, nice and recessed right there. Bit more D3O branding. Very easy to access your fingerprint sensor. I think this actually helps because the fingerprint sensor is quite flush to the phone, and this actually helps find that for me, especially when I'm taking out my pocket. You have a bit of Gear4 branding embossed into the back of the case, but that's on the inside of the actual case. Very grippy. I feel very confident rocking this case. Very, very confident. That's our drop rating. How often am I going to drop my phone from that sort of height? Now this blue has got a bit of a shimmer to it, but it does go really nicely with my blue. Look at the blue. It goes really nice with that. It's a nice complement. Let me show you from the front, because a lot of people ask for that. Can you show the front of the phone? There you have it. That's what it looks like from the front. That's what it looks like from the back. So you can see that. But really, I thought it wouldn't be this grippy, but it is extremely grippy. Look at that. I've got it. See that? Sorry, I'm whacking the camera. That's quite grippy, the edges here. Really, definite thumbs up. The cases, they range between 30 and 60 pounds, I think, or 50 pounds. As I said, I'll try and find you guys the cheapest possible price I can on these cases. So use those links. But definite, this is a win. When you're talking this sort of level of protection and you still get to see the beauty of your phone, it's a win all day long. It really is. So that's one of my all-time favorites. And no, I'm not sponsored. I know people are going, oh, you're sponsored. I'm not. Now, here's another one from Gear4. This one's called the Battersea. The clear one was the Piccadilly. This one's the Battersea. Now, I got it in black. I think it does come in a white. I might be wrong, but sometimes they do these in the white color. Now, this one has got even more protection. Exceeds 5 meters, 16 foot of drop protection. I'm not going to read through all this again. Now here you can see 16 foot of drop protection. Now, integrated D3O material for impact protection. So the entire inside of this case, the entire inside is the D3O material. So the back's got it, as well as the edges, whereas this one's only got it around the edges. It's probably what the difference is in the protection there. TPU for impact protection and grip. Polycarbonate as used in bulletproof glass again. And again, same sort of stuff there. Same stuff on the inside, sorry. Should be showing you there. So let me show you the inside of this case. All this orange is D3O and it goes right up to the edges. Look at that. So really, really solid protection. The inside has got this textured sort of feel to it. Got Gear4 D3O printed into the inside of the case. Heavily protected, this one. Look at that. And you know what's surprising? These cases, they don't feel that heavy and they don't feel too chunky either. I mean, forget about your Otterbox cases and things like that. These are a different league to your Otterbox cases. Look how easy that went on. Very easy. So again, you got your cutout for your mic. Power button works immaculately. Exactly the same cutouts at the bottom. Look at that, how nice that looks. S Pen, It works with wireless charging again, works with Whitestone Dome, works with this bare screen protector. Bixby button, volume rockers, a bit more D3O branding here. This is a glossy black bumper around the edges. The back is really nice. I mean, look, it's got this kind of texture. I think it looks really neat, really neat. Gear 4 branding there with a bit of an orange outline to it. Really grippy. Bit more D3O there. Cut out for the camera fingerprint sensor, nice and recessed, nice and safe. Very easy to reach that fingerprint sensor. Very easy indeed. Hard polycarbonate backing. Look at it. Beautiful. Lay on the table, protection, plenty of it. The sides on this one, I think they go a little bit higher than the Piccadilly. Just a tad higher. Let's put them together. Yeah, it's a bit thicker, the case overall. Let me put them together so you can see that. It's a little bit taller, tiny bit, few millimeters taller. In fact, it's a little bit less wide actually than the Piccadilly. No, I think it's about the same, but it is definitely a little bit thicker. Can you see that thickness extra there? But really grippy, this one. Absolutely grippy. The sides are grippy, the back is grippy. You gotta be an idiot to drop your phone if you're holding it with this. Even if you do, it's not gonna damage the phone because this case is so tough. I mean, look at it. I think Gear 4 is one of the most underrated case manufacturers out there. I really do. I think they make some fantastic cases. From the front, because you've got the black bezel around it, it goes well with the black front of all the Note 9s. See a back image there because people ask for it. Really, I'm impressed. Like I said, I've used their cases on many devices in the past. So there you have it, guys. We have the Piccadilly and we have the Battersea. What do you guys think of that? I'm very impressed. I'm definitely 100% thumbs up from me. I want to be protecting my Note 9 and these provide that protection. I like the fact they give you a rating. They give you the ratings. They're confident in their products. Anyway, guys, that's it for the time being. I've got Tech 21 cases coming up now. UAG cases coming up. CDO cases coming up. Bataka cases coming up. I've got a lot more cases, guys. I just haven't had the time. I've got Elixir cases, so stay tuned. Smash that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video on all your social media and use the links down below. Until next time, this is your boy Zilla saying take care. I'll see you all again real soon and peace.